Welcome to today's lesson. In our last lesson, we learned that writers plan their writing before they write. In today's lesson, we are learning to picture our writing before we write. How do writers picture their writing? So, writers take their planned out writing and picture it on each page of their booklet. They picture their writing by drawing their writing on each page. I have my booklet here again. Remember, this is my cover or my title page. On this page is the page with my introduction to my story. On a sunny Tuesday, I played with my toys. I am going to draw my story in the box on this page. First, I played with my blue truck. I will draw that on this page as I picture my writing. Next, I played with my yellow duck. I will draw or picture that on this page. And then last, I played with my red ball. I would picture that or draw that on this page. When writers draw, we don't focus so much on the artistic beauty or genius of our drawing. We focus on the details. On this cover page, I would picture a sunny day, a sunny Tuesday, with me playing with my toys. So, on a sunny, I'm going to make sure I have a sun. How do I draw a sun? A round circle is my sun. How do I draw me? My face would have a round circle. The trick is using shapes to help us draw. See, I have a circle representing the sun. Now I have a circle for my face. I could use a triangle or a square for my body. And two lines for my hands. Because I was playing with my toy, I was so happy. So I have a smiley face, circles for my eyes, and my hair. It's a basic picture of me. That's the sun, and that's me. I drew myself using basic shapes. Circle for my face, a triangle for my body, and straight lines with little circles for my hands and feet and shoes. Next, I'm going to add my toys. Remember, I'm using shapes. We use shapes to draw. My truck is going to be a rectangle, a square, two circles, a rectangle, a square, two circles for my truck. My duck is going to be an oval and a circle and a triangle. Here is my duck. An oval, a circle, a triangle, and my ball. Here's the cover picture for my story. On a sunny Tuesday, I played with my toys. I'm going to write my name, Dr. Osueke. Dr. Osweke. I'm going to picture the rest of my story in sequence. Here's my picture of the first part of my writing. So first, I played with my truck. Next, I played with my duck. Last, I played with my red ball. Circle for my face. Triangle for my body. A line for my two legs. A line for both my arms. A little oval for my shoes, lines for my fingers, my smile, my braids. Remember, we're focused more on the details than the actual art of our drawing. My picture depicts or shows my story. Now I'm ready to produce my writing. Again, remember, writers plan, they picture, and then they produce their writing. In today's lesson, we learn to picture our writing on each page of our booklet before producing our writing. See you in the next lesson.